Day 6.
Reading comprehension. Read the short story twice and answer the following questions. I am Mary. I have a black dog. It jumps and runs very fast. It likes to eat fish. It is my pet. It always be very happy. It can bark at strangers. I love my dog very much. I am Mary. I have a black dog. It jumps and runs very fast. It likes to eat fish. It is my pet. It always be very happy. It can bark at strangers. I love my dog very much. Now it's your turn. Let's try to read. It's time to think. Based on the little story, I will ask you 5 questions. You need to find the answer within 5 seconds. Question number 1. What does Mary have? Option A, a cat. Option B, a dog. Option C, a pig. Answer option B, a dog. Question number 2. How does it run? Option A, fast. Option B, slow. Option C, not run. Answer option A, fast. Question number 3. What does it like? Option A, rice. Option B, burger. Option C, fish. Answer option C, fish. Question number 4. How does it feel? Option A, sad. Option B, happy. Option C, anger. Answer option B, happy. Question number 5. What is the color of the dog? Option A, black. Option B, brown. Option C, red. Answer option A, black. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.